Hello and welcome to the introduction video for the Happy Hen House CHIK-N automatic chicken coop door. Some of the highlights of this design include the ease of installation from the one-piece design. You just pull it out of the box, mount it over your 10x15 hole, and it's ready to program. The safety of having the metal sprocket that engages with the metal door, keeping predators from opening at night. The safety mechanism built into the controller, which limits the amount of pressure applied when the door is closing, in case your chickens are trying to roost in the door. It's sensitive enough that it will not smash their bodies. Instead, it will stop and reverse, pause for about 20 seconds, and then try again to close. You also have the ability to use a larger 6-volt battery as opposed to the 4 AA batteries that go inside. Next, we'll walk through the initial setup. After installing the batteries, the screen will be powered up. If it happens to shut off, you just simply press and hold the menu button and it'll come back on. We're going to step through each part of the setup process, and I'll explain what it is and what each thing means and how to adjust properly. Alright, now we're going to run through the setup of the controller for the CH-N door. When the screen is off, we're simply going to press and hold the button. It'll pop on. We use the menu button to page through. We use the up button to scroll the time setting. We use this to scroll over to the minutes. Change those. Hit the menu button to go to the next. This is the open up time. If we are using the timer to open and close the door, this is where we will set the hour, and then we can also click over and set the minute page. If we are going to use lumens to open and close the door, this shows us the current lumen in the environment right now. So it'll tell you what your door is seeing. If you cover the light sensor, you'll see it goes down, but it doesn't go to 0. It's because we need a lot more to cover. So we can set that here. 15 is good, it comes from the factory. Close down time, if we're using timer, this is where we set what time we want it to shut. Use this to change the hours, this to scroll over to minutes, and then change. Same with the current lumen here, closed lumen. We will always want the closed lumen to be lower than the open. So, operating mode, we can set light open, light close, or timer open, time close. Protect level, ideally we want this as low as possible. I always start on 0, 0. If there is an issue, you will notice that the door will stop while it is going down and reverse just a bit and halt for about 20 seconds, then it'll start again. This is normal operation for when the protection level is activated. That's normally meant to protect a chicken roosting in the rail, in the doorway. And next is save and exit. This is displaying the current time. Once we exit, the door will open.